Hello, my name is Snyder Peinado. Today we are going to talk about my best friend. Let's begin. Likes. She loves to dance. She likes to cook and invent recipes. She likes to make handicraft. She loves to make decorations for events. You can see other dislikes. She doesn't like being told lies. She doesn't like to have her things taken without permission. She doesn't like fish soup. She doesn't like to be alone in the house. Ill of her as a child. What she could or couldn't do when she was a child. She could make friends very easily. She could get angry easily with her friends. Her abilities as an adult. What she can or can do now as an adult. Now she doesn't get angry easily with her friends. Now she's more friendly. That's all. Thank you.